is melting.
So what I've done there is I've shaped the end of that ready to be turned into a leaf. What I did in the water there was just cool down the very end of it, because unfortunately it's a lot smaller, so it'll heat up faster.
Yeah.
So there's a chance of it melting or burning away in the fire if I'm not careful. There we go, that's a really good temperature there. So now, so I've done all the other stuff, I can just smush it flat and it spreads out into the shape of the leaf.
Oh.
A bit more. There you go.
Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
What you done do now?
Now I've got to cut it off of that. Because that bit I did was the quick and easy bit. So, well, yeah, about that much.
Get down here, look.
I need these. Just can't do the next bit with my hands. There we go. So.
Burn his hand, see, won't he?
Yeah.
You don't want to burn your hand with a craft like this. I should say, try not to burn your hand with it.
Not to burn my hand with this. So yeah, there we go. I'm just going to be heating up this bit I've got left here.
Just burn your hands, please.
Yeah, he's not going to burn his hand.
But yeah, heat that up and draw it out long and thin. The reason I do this instead of just cutting off a load of material to make a loop is that if I was to do that, the loop would be really big and chunky compared to the leaf.
Yeah.
So I've got to do it like this to get a nice proportion to it. A little butter. There we go. That's a good temperature.
Why you burn that?
I'm just making it longer and thinner now.
Why do you use the big camera?
There we go, that's a good start. Now, just need to pull that bit down, get more heat down here so I can tidy that up some more. Back into the fire.
Why do you lower it down?
He's,
So why did you lower it down?
Oh, because if there's too much air in there, it'll burn through the steel really easily. Yeah, I reckon that's long enough now. Right then. Next bit is to just hammer down the corners and make it easier to do the next bit, which is where I'm just going to round that up.
he's going to be putting it into a circle.
Yep. Just to draw it out, I made it more of a square shape. That's the easiest way to do it. There we go.
This one?
Yeah. To watch him now.
Stem there. Looks like that's about ready to snap.
All right. That's right, Story.
It might just be that it's might just be that I managed to forge in a little fold in there, so that's just gotten loose. Which is unfortunate, but
No, wait. you can't get perfect all the time. So you can, it's just one of these things, isn't it?
Yeah,
No,
exactly. So bend that way. And bend it that way. And get that bent there. There we go.
Oh, that's cool.
That's a little loop. Now, the very last bit is where I put the pattern on the leaf.
I think that's going to be an easy part.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is an easy part. Because all I'm going to do is use that to hit it on that side a lot of times.
Wire.
So you can make the pattern.
There we go. Now we'll see how long it takes for this to snap up. That's one half done.
Oh my god.
There we go, that's not too bad. The very last bit of hammering there. Which is a nice little curve. Just clean it up.
No, you're not like a wonder.
No, you can't go under.
Do you do wonder?
No, you can't go under.
Nope.
Up and up.
There it goes.
Oh, it's gone.
I was wondering how long that would last.